What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today we have a special video because it's giveaway time. Now, if you've been watching all the videos, you know that on this Ecoflow review of the Wave 2 video, I told you if you left a comment, you'll be entered in to win some Ecoflow goodies. This little blanket here and this light. I also said that on this video as well when I talked about the Ecoflow fall savings deals, and about 38 of you actually left comments, and some of you left more than one, which was smart because it got you an extra entry. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and spin this, and if you are the winner, what I want you to do is leave a comment and say that you won, or leave your email address or reach out to me. I'll leave my email address and the pinned comment so that you can reach out and tell me your information so I can get you that prize. So let's go ahead and spin this bad boy now. That was so close because 2.0, I know you left a bunch of comments and I thought it was coming to you, boy, but R. Smith 7292, you are the winner. You're going to have, unfortunately, I can only give you 48 hours to respond because Ecoflow is going to need to know your information so they can get it out to you. So go ahead and reach out to me via email, tooldeals103@gmail.com. I'll leave it in a pinned comment so you can give me your information and I can shoot you your stuff. Now, it still is tool deals though, and I do have a few deals for you over at Bomgaars. Now, if you're in the Facebook group, you've seen this deal already. It's not new, but they do have this DeWalt high torque impact wrench. We all know that this is the big boy in town now with this 5 amp hour battery, a bag and a charger for a whopping $199.99. Now, $199 for the impact wrench alone is good, but $199 with the 5 amp hour battery and the charger in the bag, woo, super duper price right there. And while we're on Ecoflow, there are some deals happening over at eBay. We have the Ecoflow River 2 refurbished, and again, it still has a 5-year warranty and also an extra warranty through eBay. All the refurbished stuff, $108, and then right here it's saying you can pay only $108.80 by leaving using the code Head Start to get some extra money. Oh, there you go, 20% off with Head Start. This will be $109. And also don't forget your Rakuten. This purchase does qualify for cash back through Rakuten. And if you're new to Rakuten, you use the link in the description to sign up. This free cash back extension, you get a bonus $30 on top of the 1% cash back. Moving on, we also have again the River 2, but this time it's not refurbished, it's brand new for $169. And it was actually $169 refurbished like a few weeks ago. So the $109 is absolutely insane for this thing, and the $169. And I do prefer Ecoflow products. It's not really a sponsored video at all. I do prefer their products. I've been having a heck of a time trying to return that Pecron, and them Bluettis, you can absolutely forget it. The PS54, the PS72, they've been giving me a run around and keep telling me to keep the products. So some stuff has been weird with them, and they were like, oh, well, everything else works, so just keep it. Whatever, man. Look, Ecoflow has been the best in my experience. Moving on, we have the refurbished River 2 Max. That's $299 refurbished, and if you want it brand new, it's $369. Then we also have the River 2 Pro on sale, brand new for $479, and refurbished, it's $399. Finally, we have the Delta 2 Max. It's not finally, I have one more for you. But we also have the Delta 2 Max for $11.99 refurbished. And finally, the cheapest I've ever seen it is the Ecoflow Delta Pro. And I know this doesn't say Delta 2, but the Delta Pro uses LiFePo 4 battery. So this has the lithium iron phosphate battery, so it lasts 3,000 cycles and all of that. Refurbished, $17.99. And because it's 3,600 watt-hour capacity, this does qualify for a tax credit. You get that 30% tax credit. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. See you guys next time. And congratulations again to R. Smith 7292. Did I memorize that correctly? Anyway, see you guys next time.